Midlife reinvention, strategies for starting over at an older age. It is certainly possible to start over at any age, including old age. Age should not be a barrier to making changes and pursuing new opportunities in life. In fact, some people find that they have more experience, wisdom, and perspective to draw from as they start over later in life. However, it's important to be realistic about the limitations that may come with age, such as physical limitations, retirement or financial constraints, and also some social stereotypes or prejudices. With that being said, there are many ways that older adults can start over, such as 1. Identifying what you want to change, and being specific about what you want to achieve. This is an important step in starting over in life. Here are a few steps that can help you identify what you want to change. Reflect on your current situation. Take some time to reflect on your current life and identify what you are unhappy with or what you want to change. Set specific and measurable goals for what you want to achieve. Create a mental image of what you want your new life to look like. Prioritize your goals and make a plan of action. Break down your goals into smaller, more manageable steps. Get support from friends, family, or a professional who can help you stay motivated and on track. Be flexible and open to change, and be prepared to adapt your goals as needed. Celebrate your progress and small wins, it will help you to stay motivated. By identifying what you want to change and setting specific and measurable goals, you can create a clear plan of action and take steps towards achieving your desired new life. Remember that change takes time and effort, but with a clear plan and support, you can achieve your goals and start over in life. 2. Learning from your past experiences, both mistakes and successes, is an important step in starting over in life. Here are a few steps that can help you learn from your past experiences. Take some time to reflect on your past experiences, both good and bad. Identify patterns in your past experiences, such as repeating mistakes or successful habits. Analyze your past experiences to understand what worked well and what didn't. Learn from your mistakes and find ways to avoid repeating them in the future. Seek feedback from others, it can provide a different perspective on your past experiences. Use your past experiences as a guide for making decisions and setting goals for the future. Let go of the past, learn from your past experiences, but don't let them hold you back. Don't be too hard on yourself and don't let past failures or mistakes define you. By reflecting on your past experiences and learning from them, you can gain valuable insights that can help you make better decisions, set realistic goals, and avoid repeating past mistakes. It's important to use your past experiences as a guide but also let go of it and move forward. 3. Start a new career. Starting a new career at an older age can be challenging, but it is also an opportunity to pursue a passion or take advantage of new skills and experiences. Here are a few steps that can help you new and be fulfilled in life. Assess your skills and experience. Consider the skills and experience you have gained throughout your life, and think about how they can be applied to a new field or industry. Research different career options that align with your skills and interests. Network. Building a network is critical in any job search. This can help you to find new opportunities, gain insights about different industries, and learn about open positions. Get additional education or training. Consider taking classes, earning a certification, or getting a degree to help you qualify for a new career. Be open to starting in an entry-level position if that is what you need to break into your new career. Leverage the skills, experience, and wisdom you have gained over the years. It can be a valuable asset to any employer. Be prepared for age discrimination. Age discrimination can be a reality. Be prepared to address it in a positive and professional manner. With the right mindset and approach, it is possible to find success and fulfillment in a new field. 4. Starting a new business. Starting a new business at an older age can be a rewarding and fulfilling way to use your experience, skills, and knowledge to create something new. Here are a few things to consider when starting a new business at an older age. Assess your skills and experience. Consider the skills and experience you have gained throughout your life, and think about how they can be applied to a new business. Research your market to ensure there is a demand for the product or service you plan to offer. Create a detailed business plan that includes information on your target market, competition, financial projections, and a marketing strategy. Raise capital. Starting a business can be expensive, so it's important to have a plan for raising capital. Consider taking out a loan, or finding investors. Consider your age. Starting a new business at an older age can be challenging. Be prepared to face some age-related stereotypes or prejudice. Leverage your age and experience. Leverage the skills, experience, and wisdom you have gained over the years. It can be a valuable asset when starting a new business. Network. Building a network is critical in any business. This can help you to find new opportunities, gain insights about different industries, and learn about open positions. Starting over is not easy, but it is very possible. It takes time, effort, and patience. It's important to remember that change takes time and that progress may not always be linear. There may be setbacks and obstacles along the way, but it's important to stay motivated and keep moving forward. Here are a few things to keep in mind as you start all over again. 1. Be kind to yourself and don't be too hard on yourself. Don't expect perfection, it's okay to make mistakes. 2. Stay positive and keep a growth mindset. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your goal. 3. Be patient and don't expect immediate results. Change takes time, and progress may be slow at first. 4. Stay focused on your goals and don't get distracted by setbacks or obstacles. 5. Be resilient and don't give up when things get tough. Learn from your failures and keep moving forward. 6. Seek support from friends, family, or a professional who can help you stay motivated and on track, but remember, no one will keep you motivated other than yourself. 7. Always remember your why. Remember why you started and keep it in mind when things get difficult, because it will, for it is the fuel that will keep you moving. Starting over at an older age is very possible, though it takes time, effort, and patience. With the right mindset, a clear plan, and a supportive network of people, you can achieve your goals and start over in life.